Good afternoon. It's Saturday around 4 a.m. I'm sorry, 4 p.m. Big Ben. So anyhow, somewhere in Obrero. Going home. Sort of. I really don't know if I want to go home or get some coffee. But anyhow, allergy. Man and his dog. So this along Brero. The thing is, I was supposedly gonna play. I thought there was a tournament, but sad. No, there was not. So what should I be doing? I think I'll just gas up. So anyhow, life update. How am I? I think I'm doing great, but wait, I think one of my door is open or not properly locked. Let me just try to fix it. I think that's good. Yeah, I forgot to get my license, by the way. So hopefully later I still get to have a job. Do I want coffee? I don't know. Anyhow, so let's start with thyself. I do not feel great, but I feel good. I'm okay. Health. Yeah, we're old. So what else? So health. Sometimes my stomach, I still feel stomach pains. I don't know why. I first felt this when I was with Selena Kyle. We don't know. when I was I just felt it, but anyhow, so after which, but now I'm trying to eat light. I mean, eat slowly. Besides eating light, eat slowly. Avoid eating fast. Calbayog chapter, Alvin Transit Incorporation. So anyhow, financials. I'm still struggling. I think I got 20,000 or 25,000 worth of loan from the bank, of course. I should be using Ecolande, but anyhow, I should be using the Ecolande route. I think there's, or is there, but I'm gonna look at Waze later. That's help. I'm not getting enough sleep, to be honest. I just slept earlier around 3 hours. Yeah, it's just 3 hours or 4. Because of the job, anyhow. Okay, so let's go to work. Mental, let's first tackle or discuss or update on my mental. Is it really an issue, like mental stability? What's that so called nowadays? Mental something. Yourself. Yeah, I mean, I'm okay. I'm alive, and I thank God for each day He gave me. Again, life is beautiful. We tend to ignore it. But besides that, job. Okay. So my job, being paid $4 per hour. Just looking for something so anyhow. What else? We're just looking for invoices in a pile of files. I'm sorry. And to be honest, I think I'm slow. Maybe because I only got one monitor. Is it really a big issue? I think so. I think having a second monitor would really ease the, what you call it, would help me. think I can play next week on a Friday. Because I don't have any, I think won't be having any job. The weird thing is, to be honest, that's the hard part maybe of being on an agency. I'm being paid cheap. But I'm not contented, but let's just say, okay, rephrase that. I'm contented for now because I got money. Sorry. Somehow I got money, but it's not stable as F. What I want is a stable job which would produce me like what? At least 40, 50 kya per month. I think that would do it. I think that's the only amount. I'm sorry, with that amount I can get what? I can save for my daughter's future and my future, because getting old and life sucks when you're old. Everything seems to be stuck. I'm sorry. Everything seems to be like what? Getting destroyed. Or you're not really that the body you had once is not really that efficient as or effective as you had it before. Respect to Manong for that. Oftentimes that we neglect people. I'm sorry, there are some people that complain that they don't have a job, but to be honest, as what I've experienced, you can find a job. It's just that maybe out of 100 tries or 3,000 tries, you get one. If you don't try, and if you don't fail, I mean, doesn't mean that you have to fail, but you will experience failure, rejection. So might as well enjoy life and just do it. I mean, I got plans, but I don't know, maybe I'm just too lazy trying to do it. I've been seeing these videos to people doing digital products online and doing faceless YouTube. I've been planning that for a long time, but it's just all plans. Why? Maybe because I'm busy dead scrolling. I think I need to lessen that. And also, my room is quite a mess. I mean, yeah. But anyhow, that's it. So what else? Anything new? No. Intimacy, relationships, nothing new. I still got the same roster. Lul. But yeah, again, no man's an island. Somehow you want to have a companion, and I would like to thank all the girls that provide provide companionship to me, even it's like once a year, once a month, once every quarter. But I would like to thank them. That was here. Especially those who provide more than companionship. And also to those who just provide the time. It might not be like Rescada, Pak, Fellatio, Canolingus. Just hang around, talk, enjoy a cup of coffee, smile, talk about life. I mean, people need to share something with other people. I think when I grow old, I'll be grumpy. That's why for my offspring, my daughters or sons or what, there will be a time that I'll be grumpy. I always want attention, but just please realize that I'm getting old. Yeah, I've been old. I'm nearing 50, but to be honest, I think I can't really tell if I can still reach that age. Maybe 49. My dad died around 60. If I would reach that age, I'll be thankful. I know it's quite hard. I've been abusing my body ever since. So, by the way, guys, kids, don't abuse your body when you're young. Because again, the body will come after you. What you did will affect you in your old age. That's one thing that I realized. Just realized it when I was around 30-ish. I realized that men in the Philippines have lower lifespan than women because men abuse their body. It's like, okay, can do it, I can do it. It's nothing. That kind of attitude. And in the long run, or in your old age, it will haunt you. I know people who took alcohol during their prime, like it's water. They drink around 8 liters per day. Now they don't drink. Maybe, yeah, I realize it. My dad didn't drink or stopped drinking when he was around 50 as well. 40, like my age. Yeah, I think so. He stopped or he drinks only a little. Maybe during his prime he drinks a lot. I would suspect. Because when he was around 50, I think he completely stopped drinking around 30 or 40. Yeah, around 40. Because before I could see him drinking a lot. when I was little, like 7 years old, so that makes him around 30 or 20 plus. 20, no, 20-ish. I know. Again, it takes a toil. So here we are in Sandawa. This is the lane where you should be on the proper lane. So I just use this lane. Hi. I'm tired, but maybe I'll work later. I don't know. I don't like it. I do not like working. By the way, going back to the work, nature of my work, we're just looking for invoices. So what we're actually looking for is the tax. So anyhow, that's it for now, guys. I think I'll stop this. So, but yeah, we're in Sandawa. It's, I think traffic's is just normal. We're on a stop. Look at the ribbon. It's a go. I hate taxis. You see that Montero? No, he went to the left. By the way, I got sort of my guitar journey or my guitar blog, micro blog on TikTok. Yeah, it's just me playing the guitar, playing useless things, using different tunings. I want to eat banana. So should I go there? I really don't know. Let's see what happens. If it's still a free lane, I can do it. Yeah, I think so. be grabbing some food later. Hopefully they still got what? Toron. My daughter loves toron. Vic Davao has a lot of condominium nowadays. I don't know how many condominiums are occupied, but look, that's a lot of housing, to be honest. I really I don't know. For me, it's quite odd, or maybe it's quite foreign that what you call this? For me, it's quite foreign, the idea of condominium. Or I think it's okay, but not in that place. It's quiet. Just too quiet. No, I think it's not too quiet. It's just, I think it's just perfect. But when no, it's quite quiet. Sorry. Because I think that condominiums, I often see condominiums in the city proper, not in that place. Though it's still city, but there's nothing like, for me, often see them at where? Here, besides a mall, etc., but that's just besides school. What should I be doing later? You know, that's for it for me, guys. I think I'll try to work later. Might be 4 hours only. Bye.